going to start in ChatGPT. I am using DALL-E 3. I already have my prompt, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paste my prompt in to create my avatar, and we're going to give that a couple of seconds to get started and give us an image. So now that I have my image, I'm going to choose the second one, which is this one. I'm going to download this, and then I'm going to upload her into my Canva, and so I can fill out the rest of her hair and some more of the room. And then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I create the text and how I'm going to put all of this together. So now that I am over in Canva and I have created a 16 by 9 window or size for a video, I'm going to drag in my image and my avatar that I want to use. And then we're going to place her onto the canvas. And then what I want to do with her is I want to use the magic expand to make her much bigger. So we want the whole page from where she is now, or I might just want to make her just a little bit bigger, so she's much more centered and focused in this video that we're making. So we're going to make her bigger, and from here I'm going to use the magic expand, and we are going to expand her. And it takes a couple of minutes for the expansion to happen, and then we will continue and go from there. So here are my options. This is option 1. This is option 2. Option 3. And option 4. So between 3 and 4, I'm going to choose option 3. So we're going to take option 3. And I'm now going to download her as an image, and then I'm going to upload her into my DID account. Make sure that you are downloading your image in PNG format. So now I'm going to go over to my DID. I'm going to create a new video, and here where the add button is, I'm going to add an image. So now I am going to go and find the image that I created. And as you can see, I have lots of images. And so we have, I think this is her here. Yes, that's her. So now that we have her in here, I can go back over to Canva. I can actually delete this image. And we are going to go over to apps. We're going to select DID, presenters, the AI presenter. All right, so I'm not sure if you all can still hear me, but I am going to go over to 11 Labs. And this is what I'm going to use to create my voice. But I need a script for the voice. So I'm going to go back over into ChatGPT. I am going to ask it for a script for whatever I want my avatar to say, and I will be right back. ChatGPT is writing the script for what I want. What I'm going to have my avatar do is speak some nighttime affirmations. So we're going to take this and copy it, and we're going to put it over into 11 Labs. I'm going to drop it, delete all of this, and I'm going to copy that in, remove the quotations, and we're going to hit generate. And while that's generating, we're going to wait for that, have put in the text that I wanted to generate. And what I will say first is I cloned my voice in 11 Labs by going to the Voice Lab, and I uploaded some audio that I had from a podcast that had my voice on it to train the AI to speak in my voice. They also have hundreds of other voices that you can use. There is another one that I like to use for my affirmations because she has a smooth voice, but I am going to use my voice for this video. And so now that the voice has been generated, I am going to download the audio for my video. So downloading that, and now I am going to go back into Canva and I am going to sign in. Now I am back in Canva and I'm going to sign into my account. So I'm going to connect to that. And when I connect to my account, you'll get this notification. And then up here, you see all of your avatars that you have created. So I'm going to choose my avatar and I am going to upload the audio that I created in 11 Labs. So let's listen. As the moon rises high and the stars twinkle in the background. All right, so this is the audio that I want. We can preview, and because of the length of my audio, it's going to take 8 credits from my DID account to create this video. So we're going to just hit generate presenter and it's going to do its work. It takes a little bit of time and it's going to create that video. So we're just going to wait on it. So our video is now ready and we can fit her to the size of our canvas. Now with the 2 different account options that they have, you will still have the DID watermark. Basically what I do, I know that there are some watermark removers, but I'm not even going to worry about that. I am just going to cover up the DID with my logo. So let's see how she does. So now we know that she works, and I'm going to drop my logo when I find it. I'm going to just drop my logo over into the video. We're going to move that over into this corner and cover that up just enough. And that's it. We have our video, and now I can take this video, I can download it and upload it to wherever I want to have it. I can resize this for a reel. I can resize it as a square right here in